Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial in OpenBox channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your Google Chrome background. So if you want to change your Google Chrome background into awesome cool pictures or themes, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So first of all you just have to go to your three dot menu here, then go to settings option. After going to the settings option you have to click on appearance here, and there we can see there's something called themes, so click on it. After opening the themes, you can see there's a lot of cool and awesome themes there. We can choose any of them here and add to Chrome here. So if you want to choose that, just click on that, and you have to just click add to Chrome here, and then your background picture will be just like that. So if you have category version here, like if you want to add some superheroes or space or cars here, like if you like superheroes here, like just if I'm gonna search for Deadpool, you can also search from here Deadpool and search for enter, and you can see there's awesome background Google Chrome background here from Deadpool here. So if I want to choose that, just click add to Chrome here, and it will be download. You can see it will be downloading my Google Chrome extension. So it's checking and it's added here, you can see. So if you open a new tab here, you can see the background image is changed and it's turned, also the themes also changed. So this is a very cool and awesome background image for Google Chrome. So that's how you change your Google Chrome browser background. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.